Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find Facebook friends near me. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to open Facebook. Once you open Facebook, you simply need to click on three bars in the top right, and in the past you will find the option of friend finder here, but you can see that there is no option there. So how you can find people that are near to you to add them as your friends? You simply need to click on marketplace, and then you need to select a location. So I'm going to select this location. You can select the radius size according to your choice, and then you need to click on apply. So here you can see that the ads that people posted. So let's click on this and scroll down, so you can find this person and you can add this person as your friend on Facebook that is located in your area. So this is the process by which you can find friends on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.